I don't believe in talking about projects that I don't believe in. Hence the one that I'm going to talk about right now. It holds high potential as per me and as per statistics and research. This community is an island themed community consisting of townhouses and villas. The phase 1 of this community was launched in December 2024 and 10 billion dirhams worth of inventory got sold in just a few hours. The next phase is going to be launching very soon. In the last phase, there were so many investors who had submitted the EOI amount, yet they did not get the unit. Now, what is so good about this community? A. Units. It has townhouses and villas, the supply of which is very low in Dubai. B. Location. It is located right on Emirates Road and it is just 20 minutes away from Al Maktoum Airport towards the south of Dubai. Third, the price. The price per square feet in this community is going to be 1,200 dirhams per square feet. The price of a 4-bedroom townhouse will be 2.8 million dirhams approximately for a 2,200 square feet of built-up area. A great price for this kind of a location and this kind of an island theme community. Now for 2.8 million dirhams, which is approximately 7 crore rupee in INR, you will only get like a 3-bedroom apartment in a city like Bombay, while here you're getting a townhouse. Now if we talk about appreciation, the properties in Mumbai won't even appreciate as fast as it does in Dubai. For example, if we talk about this phase itself, the phase 1 of this phase was launched at 2.2 million dirhams for the townhouse and right now it's getting resold in the market at 2.6 million dirhams, which is approximately 400,000 jump in just 8 months. If we calculate this in INR, it's approximately 95 lakh rupee jump in just 8 months. Now let's talk about the rental yield. The rental yield is projected to be about 8.5%, which is going to be approximately 60 lakh rupee in INR. Payment plan is extremely flexible with 20% as down payment and 1% monthly for the remaining months until handover, and the handover is going to be in the next 4 years. Also, the developer is sponsoring the golden visa as of now after the 20% down payment, but they might withdraw this benefit after launch.